Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix mobile network not working on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to go to connections and then go to SIM manager. Over here, first thing that you need to do is make sure that the mobile data over here is set to your SIM card or eSIM. So press mobile data, and if it's off, set it to SIM 1. If that's the case, then the next thing that you should do is make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. If it's enabled, then of course you need to disable it to be able to use the mobile network. Another thing that you can do is scroll all the way down, go to General Management, and then over here go to Reset, and finally here you will find Reset Mobile Network Settings. Go there, press this button, Reset Settings, and then confirm by entering the PIN code, password, or drawing the pattern. And then one more time press reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.